Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about journeys with these things here, and these are my sketchbooks, and over the years I've filled absolutely armfuls of these. And also in the video I'm going to talk about how crucial these sketchbooks are to creating the larger oil paintings back here in the studio. So without further ado, here we are, journeys with my sketchbook. Now, I'm an artist that likes to travel, and no matter where I go, I always take a sketchbook with me because there's always something interesting to paint somewhere. And the subject matter can be equally diverse. I could be in the wilds in the middle of nowhere, or right in the centre of a large metropolitan city, and then huddled away in a tiny seaside village. But no matter where I am, once I get settled in, I start scribbling away and slowly building up those sketchbooks, whilst thanking fate that has allowed me to do something like this for a living. And over the years the sketchbooks build up, and each page of these has a rather fine memory. And now I'm going to talk about how these small watercolours and drawings turn into much larger studio paintings, and I'm going to use this view of Greenwich in London as an example. Looking at the top right there, you can see the wonderful Greenwich Observatory designed by Sir Christopher Wren, and here's my drawing of it, which is the basis of the final painting you can see here. And once that's done, we can, no pun intended, start working on the bigger picture. Now, working back to the details again, what works for Greenwich Observatory also works for tugboats, and we can start putting those in. So you can really see now how these initial drawings are the absolute bedrock of the final picture. And talking of the final picture, here it is, the Greenwich waterfront, circa 1930 or thereabouts. And if you'd like to see the original painting, it is now hanging up in the Trafalgar Tavern, which of course is in Greenwich. Well, there we are then. Journeys with my sketchbook and a little bit of Greenwich too. Thinking on it, I always like to get in front of the subject if I can. You really get a sense of community and space and environment, and also you can often get chatting to local people, and their stories can often feed into the final picture. So it is, in a sense, well worth the journey. Anyway, that's all from me for now. Many thanks for watching.